Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for trade license online in Assam step by step. First, create an account on the Assam Municipal Portal and verify your email and mobile with OTPs. Next, select the trade license application, choose the correct trade category, and enter your business name, address, and owner details accurately to avoid rejections. Open the trade license application form and carefully fill each field with accurate business and owner details to prevent delays. Upload scanned copies of identity proof, address proof, and premises documents in the specified formats and sizes. Double-check trade category, proposed operational hours, and fee calculation before proceeding to payment to ensure a smooth submission experience. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to support clear step-by-step videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading forms, checklists, and guides while commuting or waiting for approvals. Look in the video description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Review the fee structure for your trade category and complete the secure online payment using net banking, card, or UPI, and save the receipt and reference number. After payment, submit the application and record the application ID to monitor status. Keep soft and hard copies of all submitted documents and receipts for future inspections or renewals to stay compliant and avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.